What's up everyone, this is Marco. I'm going to show you how to set up MIDI drum tracks in Reaper. Once you have your drum tracks set up, you'll be able to be writing awesome tracks like this. So let's get right into it. All the links will be in the description down below. First thing, let's go to the Perfect Drums link. You're going to go ahead and download Perfect Drums. That way you can load up your MIDI drum tracks to a virtual player. You can either choose the Windows version or the Mac version depending on what you're using. Just click download it, it'll download it for you. Next, we're going to download the free Restrains kit from Panda Sounds. It's a really cool kit for metal. So you just add it to your cart here, just go through their checkout process. It is completely free. Next, for this demonstration, we are going to use my free metal drum track. You just need to sign up to my emailing list here and you could get the MIDI drum track for free. You can also use your own MIDI drum track if you'd like, or you could write your own MIDI drums directly. So once you have those files downloaded, first we want to go into the Perfect Drums installer. So you could extract that or you could run it directly from the zip file here. And just go ahead and install it to your computer. Generally, I like installing it to my Reaper directory, but you don't have to. You could use that same directory that it gives you, the Steinberg VST plugins directory. Just if you do want to follow with me, I go to where my Reaper is installed. I do this just to prevent if my OS ends up crashing. I have a safe drive where it saves all my files without having to delete anything to install a new OS. So I have that in Reaper. Then Reaper recommends you use the user plugins folder. That's a folder you have to create, and then you could just install it in there. So once that's done installing, we're going to go into Reaper. First thing we're going to do is go into options, then go all the way down to preferences, or you could just click Control P. And then we're going to scroll down to plugins and then VSTs here. You click on VSTs. Depending on where you installed your file, you want to check the edit path list here to check if that path is there. So this is the default path that we were talking about earlier, the Steinberg VST plugins. Just make sure that's in there. If it's not in there, just click add path and you can look for where you installed your Perfect Drums. And then we're going to click rescan here and then rescan VST paths for new plugins or modified plugins, and then just click apply. And now we're going to right click here and we're going to insert a new track. Once that's inserted, we're going to click the FX button there, and then we're going to search up perfect. So you just type in perfect in here and then it pulls up your VSTs. So let's go ahead and click the VST. And now we have the Perfect Drums loaded. And then from here, we're going to look for the Restraints kit. So we click the kit designer here and we're going to load sampler kit. And then you're going to have to look for the file that you downloaded, which is the Restraints kit. You might have to extract it. And then you just click the file here and it loads it up. And now we have the kit loaded up here. And now for demonstration, we are going to use my drum track. So I'll click out of here and then I'll show you how to write your own drums as well. So we're going to locate my file. So if you did download my free drum track, you could just extract the file. It should look like this once you extract it. I do have it extracted over here. So all you need to do is grab the file and drag it into Reaper. Well, actually, before we do that, what you want to do is make sure your BPM is set up to the correct BPM. So I did update mine already. It's up to 190. That's what this drum track was written at. So we're going to drag and drop it again here. And it's ready to go. We could just click play here to take a listen. And our drum track is set up. And then I'll show you how to write a drum track as well, in case if you didn't download my drum track. Yes, so now I'll go ahead and show you how to write your own drum track. So what you want to do is create a highlighted section here. So you just you right click or left click and then just drag. So that's gonna give you the space where it's gonna insert your MIDI file. So you go up to insert and then you click new MIDI item. So that's gonna put your MIDI item in there, and you just click the MIDI file here. And now we're gonna go to the beginning here, and if you see the piano roll here, your kick should be at C2 here. So you could just start inserting your MIDI here. And for this, I do have a shortcut on my keyboard for this. If you do want me to link a video to show you how to set that up, I could link that video. just let me know in the comments down below. But you can also just click into the MIDI item here and just start programming your drums, and then your snare should be up here. So pretty much from where the kick is at, the rest of your sounds will be going upward here. So you could just click and find where they are as you go. And yeah, we're just gonna insert some snares here too. Let's do those in between. And let's just put some hi-hats real quick. So that one's wrong. We could go back and edit it. Alright, so let's move it here. And now this is our first drum track. Alright, I hope you write some awesome drum tracks for your tracks. Again, you could get a free drum track through signing up to my email list below. I do try to release free drum tracks every 2 to 3 months. Additionally, right now I am selling some of my drum tracks as well for a very low price. They're currently at $5, but that is set to go up in the future. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Peace.